have bread. And I have coffee. This will be my late dinner. No, nag-dinner na ako kanina. Midnight snack lang to. Ay, sino yun? AI.
This is just an AI.
AI, remove the backer.
Dawa ka makataisip ako pa ba? Kasi
Naga to, ang aming team.
trending, ano.
Ano?
Day 2 in Thailand.
Day 3 in Thailand. Day 4 in Thailand.
Para po maganda po tayo ng Taipei 101 paggabi.
Kasi niya lights. Bonito.
Dala ng tanan din eh.
Oo. Alino ko na.
Yung mga bus naman dyan na tayo.
Dalal tayo, Ningo Juanita.
Wait.
Ay, galing! Mag-blow na pala yung tentacles na. Octopus pala.
So good.
Yun yung activity yan. Ay, na pala, basta sa tingin yun.
Maragul niyo.
Sabi niyo buwak? Ayan, may basta yung buwak na.
What just happened? Connor!
May transform yun.
Connor? Connor? Lily, there you are. You missed the story of the year, girl. Connor almost drowned. I didn't do it. Gosh, that's crazy. That's surprising. Because it definitely didn't have anything to do with me.
Ano yun, Aaron?
Are you feeling alright? Where are you in? Connor, are you okay?
Yeah, it was crazy. I just remember there was smoke and glitter, and then the next thing I knew, I was saved by a new girl.
The new girl? The new girl. Thank you. Thank you. Oh, she's going to say something. Picture this. Me, stunning by approaching.
Alam nang day off din kaya? OFW ka na?
And confused.
Okay.
Traveling
What?
from
What day?
first class.
On day?
Ali, aliwali mo Aldo.
Dahil nung
One day.
nalakaran tayo,
Ing, what?
papunta ka rin.
I'm not much of a swimmer.
2 hours.
Ay, itinerary.
Nadad. 2 hours and 11 minutes.
Taipei 101. Itinerary.
Kung mag
And what is a trainer?
train mo, sakit mo king Yellow Station. Kaya tamong
Love you too, Brando. She pointed at me. I'm Brando.
platform 2.
What's happening? What? Kidding me? Wait.
Magadwa tamong kay train.
I'm Chelsea. Chelsea.
Wait, nanong oras yung call time tamo kung cable car?
Anytime yan dyan.
And you are.
Anytime. So, after breakfast, tamo munta na.
Mm-mm.
Dapat yung Taipei Zoo, anytime yan din.
Maybe it's the whole don't look
Nah.
vibe, but there's something different about you.
Nanada?
Taipei Zoo,
Go now.
anytime yan din.
Oh.
Anytime of that day.
Mm-mm.
Ah, sorry. Ito yung specific day.
Ano yan ka?
Kaya kasi nung mama ko rin yung mga steady na unlike the tour na.
Are you okay? You really look like you've been through something. Yeah. I'm gonna go now.
Kasi din halos magubok yan eh. Alam mo nakalibot.
No?
Maybe pag day off they just chose to sleep na lang the whole day na. Dan libot-libot sa ibang lugar.
Ano?
Yung mga OFW dito,
Oh,
yung mga pinuntahan natin, hindi pa nila napuntahan.
hindi. Yung iba yung mga ano, hindi.
Wala silang time.
Kasi gawin daw pa inawan na lang.
Kasi sa Ikaw naman, everyday, 12 hours ng mago mo. Siyempre, ikaw ang Sunday.
Bayawan na niya mo.
Time yung pamilya mo. Ay, siguro may kapunta na nakaretang simple spots.
So, kakilala ko, pagkalagala ka na lang. Anak ka. Hindi ko pa napunta yung mga yan. Ha. Bandayan South. Doon siya sa Taichung.
Hindi ako yung dadagol eh. Siya rin naman yung ability niya.
This one is good.
Kaya po na yun. Ay, lagi yung magkain. Nagiralo ko.
A lot of you have been asking about my beard. Dragon! Dragon ahoy! She's back! Oh, she's coming for me!
Ano naman yung intention manira ka niya? Yun, naman yung tumat ko. Sinave ko pa rin. From.
Holy Goldie, this is amazing. What do you think, Boo?
I think we're sold. Oh, fantastic. Well, I'll get the paperwork started and we'll make this quick and easy so you can focus on your little one.
Look at this house. This house is beautiful.
wanted a built-in grill and that is built
Oh, man, Grill Master again?
You make sure you enjoy every minute of quiet you have left because once the baby comes, it's going to blow up your whole life. Look around, get a feel for the place. Just leave the key in the lockbox when you're done, or keep it. Whatever. Help him. Pick up Ruby. Pick up. Oh, pick up Ruby. Pick up. Agatha, you can figure this out. Everything is gonna be fine.
Coffee is good too.